Today's been crazy, but super, super exciting. What I'm looking for, and I call it the 3 Ps, passion plus power equals performer. You have to trust yourself.
It falls on deaf ears to say you want to be a pro cheerleader if you are just professionally auditioning. It becomes more real if you are going after a team that you want and you're really going after something. Otherwise, you're not a pro cheerleader, you're just a professional auditioner.
I had goosebumps. I'm like, oh, the dance world again, it makes me so happy, and literally almost shed a tear. To say if it's your dream, there's no reason to give up. Stick with your dreams. I did, right? Like, I'm only here because I stuck with my dream.
Okay, think about who you want to become, the professional cheerleader, and what habits do they have.
And I think that that's important to keep people around that are going to love you, whether you're center field or if you're like sitting in the stands that year because you didn't make it. It's what I do, it's not who I am.
I see successes with prep. Prep plus consistency equals result.
It's how you walk in the room. Do you demand me looking at you? Do you want me to look at you? You have that poise and that confidence.
I'm big on entertaining me. Like, I'm looking for that entertainment, that wow factor. Like, wow, like you're dancing in a group, but I immediately can't take my eyes off of you.
Skill sets, fitness, interviews.
Poise and presentation, confidence.
I put my last one as your authentic self.
That's what we do. We are entertainers.
I love that you're here and that you are taking the next step.
We love what we do, and we do what we love. 1, 2, 3.
Keep on keeping on, Janine. You're good vibes. We need more people like you advocating. So
Thank you.
for including me, and thanks for doing this.
Yes, thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for inviting me.
Saying yes. Love you all.
Love you.
Bye.